Hello friends. Before you spend money on your bathroom door, there is one mistake that destroys thousands of doors every year. Most people spend lakhs building a house, choose expensive tiles, premium fittings, beautiful lights, and then install the wrong bathroom door. For the first few months, everything looks fine. Then, moisture starts entering. The door begins to swell. The laminate starts peeling. The frame gets damaged. And in some cases, termites make the problem even worse. Today, I will show you the 4 best bathroom door options, their actual lifespan, approximate cost, pros and cons, and which one I would choose for my own house. And make sure you stay until the end because the option most homeowners choose is not the one I recommend. One quick thing before we start. Most bathrooms use a standard door size of about 2.5 feet by 7 feet. And all the prices I am mentioning are roughly for this size. Prices can vary depending on your city, brand, frame, hardware, and installation. Now let us start with the biggest mistake. Never use a normal plywood or wooden door in a bathroom. I don't care whether someone tells you it's premium plywood, waterproof plywood, BWP grade, marine plywood, or solid wood. The reality is simple. A bathroom is the most humid room in the house. Every single day, the door is exposed to moisture, water splashes, steam, and temperature changes. Maybe not in 1 year, maybe not in 3 years, but sooner or later, moisture finds a way in. The door may swell, warp, delaminate, or require repeated maintenance. That's why modern bathrooms are moving toward water-resistant materials instead of traditional wood. So what should you use? Let us look at the options. Option number 1, PVC door. If your budget is tight, PVC is usually the cheapest practical solution. For a standard 2.5 feet by 7 feet bathroom door, the price generally ranges from around 2000 to 5000 rupees. The biggest advantage? It is completely water resistant, it won't rot, termites won't eat it, and maintenance is almost zero. For rental properties, budget homes, staff quarters, or projects where cost is the main concern, PVC can be a smart choice. But there is a trade-off. PVC doors generally don't look as premium as other materials. Some lower quality models can also feel lightweight or flimsy. Expected lifespan can range from around 8 to 15 years depending on quality and usage. So if budget is your priority, PVC is hard to beat. But if you want something that looks more premium, keep watching. Option number 2, WPC door. WPC stands for Wood Plastic Composite. This has become one of the most popular choices for modern bathrooms. Why? Because it combines the appearance of a traditional door with the water resistance of plastic-based materials. For a standard bathroom door size, expect to spend roughly 5000 to 12,000 rupees depending on quality and finish. Good quality WPC doors are waterproof, termite resistant, and much more solid than basic PVC doors. Many hotels, apartments, and commercial projects use WPC because it offers a good balance between appearance, durability, and cost. Quality WPC door can easily last 15 to 20 years or even longer when installed properly. But here is an important tip most people don't know. Don't buy a WPC door based only on appearance. Ask about its density and thickness. Low density doors may feel hollow and may not hold hardware as well over time. Ideally choose a WPC door with a density of 650 to 750 kg per meter cube and a thickness of 30 to 35 mm for better strength, durability, and hardware holding capacity. If you want a combination of value, durability, appearance, WPC is one of the safest choices. Now let us move to my favorite option. Option number 3, Aluminium door. If your goal is durability, aluminium is extremely difficult to beat. Water doesn't damage it. Termites don't touch it. It doesn't swell like wood. And maintenance is almost non-existent. Today's aluminium doors are nothing like the old-fashioned designs people remember. Modern aluminium profiles come in stylish finishes, powder-coated colors, wood-look finishes, and premium designs. For a standard bathroom door, basic aluminium doors generally cost around 3,000 to 6,000 rupees. If you choose a premium aluminium door with frosted toughened glass, the cost can range from about 7,000 to 15,000 rupees or even more. And when you combine aluminium frames with frosted tempered glass, the result looks incredibly modern. This is why many luxury homes, hotels, and premium apartments use them. A well-made aluminium door can easily last 20 years or more. In many cases, the only maintenance required is occasional cleaning and hardware replacement after many years. One important tip: always use tempered or toughened glass in bathroom doors. Never use ordinary glass. Safety should always come first. If you want a premium look with excellent durability, aluminium is one of the best investments you can make. But there is still one more option. Option number 4, UPVC door. UPVC has become extremely popular in modern construction. Most people know it for windows, but it is also used for bathroom doors. For a standard 2.5 feet by 7 feet bathroom door, the price generally ranges between 3,500 and 10,000 rupees. UPVC is waterproof, termite resistant, corrosion resistant, and requires very little maintenance. It also performs well in humid environments. Many homeowners prefer UPVC because it provides a clean, modern appearance while remaining affordable. When combined with quality hardware and proper installation, a UPVC bathroom door can easily last 15 to 20 years. It is particularly suitable for family homes where the bathroom gets daily use. Now here is the most important lesson from this entire video. The material is only half the story. Installation quality matters just as much. A premium door installed badly will create problems. A reasonably priced door installed correctly can last for decades. Always use good quality hinges, handles, locks, and fasteners. And whenever possible, use the matching frame recommended by the manufacturer instead of mixing different materials together. This creates a cleaner finish and gives the bathroom a much more premium appearance. So if I had to rank these options, for the lowest budget, PVC. For the best balance of cost and performance, WPC. For a premium modern look and maximum durability, Aluminium. For a clean modern family home solution, UPVC. There is no single perfect option. The best choice depends on your budget, design style, and expected usage. But if I were building my own house today and wanted the best balance between appearance, durability, maintenance, and cost, I would personally choose a good quality WPC door or an aluminium door with toughened glass. Now, I want to know something from you. Imagine you are building a new bathroom door tomorrow and I give you 10,000 rupees only for the door. Which one are you choosing? PVC, WPC, aluminium, or UPVC? Comment just one word below. Let us see which option gets the most votes.